Hello everyone, this is the Trickster Tech. So Apple released iOS 14 Beta 3 yesterday. This update comes with a size of 650 to 750 MB depending on your device. There is a lot to talk about: firmware, device changes, bugs, performance and battery life. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. So talking about the firmware first, on iPhone 7 Plus the firmware has been updated from 4.50.03 to 4.50.04. As you can see, the firmware on iOS 14 Beta 3 has been updated for almost all the devices. The good thing is that this firmware has improved the network quality and call reception hugely. I used to get 1 or max 2 bars on my terrace, but now I get a full network bar and the calls are crystal clear and there is no static or cracking sound. Talking about the new changes in Beta 3, you can see that clock widget is available now. It is having three sizes, where you can see 4 clocks for world clock in the 2 widgets and 1 widget with a single clock. In Beta 2 there was a bug where the weather widget went blank. That has been fixed in this build. Talking about widgets, the Apple Music color scheme has been changed for both widget and the app icon. They have a magenta color now. And not only the app icon but also the in-app icons of Apple Music have been changed now. And one more new feature in Apple Music is that now you can share a song from Apple Music on Snapchat. It's the same implementation of how we could share a song on Instagram from Apple Music. So as you can see, it works same like Instagram. Notification banners have a small bar at the bottom now, indicating that they can be expanded for quick reply. In iMessage, now the app icons get hidden whenever you switch to the emoji keyboard. Talking about the phone call UI, it had changed a bit since iOS 14 Beta 1, where the contact name and picture were assigned on the left side is now back to normal like how it was in iOS 13. Back tap is now available for iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus 2. Moving on to bugs, Apple has disabled 3D Touch in this build, which obviously applies to older iPhones. Instead, it's replaced by Haptic Touch now, where you can see a 0.5 second delay compared to 3D Touch. And also, Haptic Touch or 3D Touch doesn't work on notifications in this build, and this bug is only on the older iPhones, and some other minor bugs which are expected on beta builds. Talking about performance, the performance on Beta 3 feels a lot faster. One reason for this could be that Apple has made the animations faster and subtle. Talking about battery life has obviously taken a hit since iOS 14 Beta 1. On the newer iPhone, it still tends to be normal, but on older iPhones, it's not that great. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next one.